Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. So in last class, till what we have solved? We started, solving questions, right?
Yes, sir. We started questions.
Yes. Today we'll, one second. One second, guys. Actually, no power here. It is nowadays the power is troubling a lot.
Sir, I am also having the same problem.
You are also having the same problem.
Yes, sir, network.
ठीक है, कोई ना. Can you able to see the screen? Hello, boys and girls.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let me share the screen one second. I'm just making questions here. क्वेश्चंस कहाँ से आए? चलो, एक मिनट. Musab is joining now. Why, Musab? Musab, why are you late? Musab Baba, why are you late? Tell me. Musab, are you here?
Sir,
Why are you late?
I had to finish work, sir.
क्या वर्क था आपका?
Groceries.
हाँ, क्या लाना था?
Groceries.
Groceries. Okay, all right. So look at the question. The given question is, if A is 2 by 2 matrix such that A of 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 2 given, and A square of 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 0, and the trace of A matrix is asking for. So now we have learned.
Sir, screen sir.
अरे भाई एक मिनट, मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया ना. हाँ, look at this. If A is a 2 by 2 matrix, A matrix is what? 2 by 2 matrix. क्या है? A is a 2 by 2 matrix. I do not know what is A matrix. I do not know what exactly the elements of A here, but he is saying that A is a 2 by 2 matrix. ठीक है? That is what I know here. Such that A of 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1, 2 given, and A square given that. Look at this here. Let me write separately here. 2 or 1 case. Let me write 2 separate cases. 2 cases, which is, look at this. A square of 1 minus 1 is equal to 1, 0 given. ठीक है. Now everyone try to understand here. A square can be written as what? A into A. Yes or no? Yes or no? So let me give the options here. 1 second. Let me give the options. हाँ guys, इसको सॉल्व कीजिए जल्दी से जल्दी, फटाफट सॉल्व कीजिए इसको. I'll give the options. I'll give the options. A is equal to 1, option B is equal to 0, option C is equal to 2, option D is equal to 5. ठीक है. Solve this question immediately. Make it fast. Make it fast. देखो, I have given you the hint. I have given you the hint. So A is a 2 by 2 matrix he has given. So if A is not giving 2 by 2 matrix, how can I conclude that the order of A matrix is 2 by 2? Look at this. I can conclude by looking at this. Look at this. I can conclude by from looking, you know, if A is a 2 by 2 matrix, he only given that. If he is not giving, अगर नहीं दिया होता, तो what I supposed to make it out? अगर वो नहीं दे रहा है, A is a 2 by 2 matrix is not giving, then how I supposed to conclude that? So the order of A is a 2 by 2, right? So now let me tell you one thing here. Here, what exactly the order of this matrix? 2 rows, which means 2 by 1. All right. What exactly the order of this one? 2 by 1. So my resultant order of my resultant matrix is 2 by 1. So that what should be the order of A matrix such that I'll be getting my order as 2 by 1. Tell me, इसका order क्या होना चाहिए तो मुझे ये मिलेगा? Understand? What supposed to be the order of A, then I'll be getting my order of resultant matrix as 2 by 1. बताइए, 2 by 2 ना, तभी तो 2 by 1 होगा ना रिजल्टेंट में. अगर वो 2 by 2 नहीं होता तो क्या होता फिर? आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Are you getting my point? Look at this here. If it is a 2 by 2, look at this here. Number of columns of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of rows of second matrix. So that must be equal. Then only I can multiply two matrices. Isn't it? Now these both are equal here. Now number of rows of first matrix. Listen to me carefully. Number of rows of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of columns of second matrix. That is my resultant matrix order. That is my order, isn't it? So that's what I got here. He has given. So now I can conclude that order of A matrix is 2 by 2. Order of matrix A is what? 2 by 2. All right.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, देखो हमसे look at this, we don't have any, इससे कोई लेने देने का कोई नहीं है. So we don't have anything to, you know, take from this and just give something. Right now let us solve here. मुझे देखिए, अभी देखो, मुझे मत देखिए, इसको क्वेश्चन को देखिए. हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर ये इक्वेशन नंबर 1 ले लीजिए. देखो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से guys, let A, now can I take let A is equal to, let A is equal to A, B, C, D. Shall I take let A is equal to A, B, C, D? कोई ले लो भाई, इसका 2 by 2 है ना मैट्रिक्स, दिस इज 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स ना. Yes or no? Yes or no? हाँ, then what can I write from equation number 1? Then from the equation number 1, A, B, C, D. ठीक है. into 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 2. ठीक है, so I'll be getting one relation from this. What is relation is going to be now? Tell me. So इधर relation देखो क्या है, a into 1 a minus b is equal to minus 1, c minus d is equal to कोई डाउट इधर? इसको ले लो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, इसको ले लो सेकंड इक्वेशन, इसको मैंने मान लिया स्टार इक्वेशन, इसको मैंने मान लिया था स्टार इक्वेशन, इसको स्टार इक्वेशन मान लो, ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम द स्टार इक्वेशन I just took this. So what are the relation I got? So equation 1 and 2 I got. Similarly guys, look at this here, a into, from the star equation मुझे बताइए, listen to me carefully, from the star equation this part can be written as how? From the star equation that part can be written as what? minus 1 2 लिख सकता हूं ना मैंने?
-1.
हाँ लिख सकते हो, ध्यान से सुनिए. How I supposed to solve this kind of questions in JEE? If I get this kind of questions in JEE, this is a previous year JEE question. So look at this now. A is what here? A, B, C, D I'm getting, and minus 1 2 as it is I'm writing is equal to 1 0 I'm writing as it is. So now look at this. What sort of equations I'm going to find it out here? Tell me. Minus A plus 2
I multiply.
is equal to 1. भाई देखो मल्टीप्लाई करके करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट से इक्वेट करो. हाँ, minus a plus 2b is equal to 1.
Plus 2b is equal to 0.
That is a third number equation. This is a fourth number equation. Now find out a b c d values from this 1 2 3 4 equations. If I get a b c d values, I can make out the matrix A simply. आ रहा है समझ? He is asking for what? Trace of A. Trace of A मतलब क्या होता है guys? What is a trace of A matrix? Sum of principal diagonal elements is what called as trace of elements. All right, sum of principal diagonal elements. Look at this. If I have something like 1 0 कोई ले लो 3 4 कोई ले लो ऐसा. So इसका देखो my trace of, इसको समझो A matrix. Let us say this A matrix. What is the trace of A matrix? 5. Sum of diagonal elements. उसी को बोलता है trace. No, though he has given in the question, look at this, though he has mentioned. So diagonal, where trace of matrix is the sum of all principal diagonal elements of the matrix, he only given, but no need of worry. But still you should know that he might be giving in the question. If he gives, happy. If he doesn't give over there, then you should know, right, what is trace of ये. हाँ, मुझे बताइए what is ABCD value. Solve equation 1 2 3 4 and tell me the value of ABCD and tell me the answer of matrix A. Make it fast. Tell me what is matrix A is going to be. Now can I solve equation number 1 and 3 to get
A -1.
हाँ ये मुझे बताइए.
B0,
1 second.
Sir, a minus 1, b0.
B2,
4 D2.
C क्या है?
d4.
4. So from this matrix A is going to be
4.
what now? -1 0 4 2. Therefore trace of A is going to be what? -1 plus 2 is equal to क्या आता है? मुझे 1 आता है. तो आंसर क्या मिला मुझे? 1. Trace of A is going to be what? 1. ठीक है, कोई डाउट इधर? Any doubt बेटा?
No, sir.
How simple it is. Look at this, how good question is, how beautiful it is. Look at this, A is equal to this one given भाई. तो ध्यान से सुनिए यहाँ पे क्या पूछ रहा है. What exactly is asking us to find? Trace of A. मुझे trace of A तो find out करने के लिए मुझे A matrix तो चाहिए. For finding trace of A, I should know what exactly the matrix A elements. I do not even know that matrix elements of matrix A. So for that I'm considering matrix A as A B C D, which is order of 2 by 2. Right? From that I'm finding A B C D values and just finding trace of A matrix by adding the diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements. वो होता है हमारा trace of A. All right? Shall we move forward now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलो.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Next question. One second. ये क्या हुआ भाई? Fourth question. Everyone solve the fourth one. Oh my. Hey man, what's happening? Okay, कोई ना. एक मिनट सर, मुझे थोड़ा इधर गैप चाहिए था. क्वेश्चन कहाँ गया?
So order of new matrix is 6 by 6 into 10.
एक मिनट भाई, इधर कहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है क्वेश्चन पूरा मुझे. ये एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट, मुझे टाइम दीजिए थोड़ा. एक मिनट. Now I got a question. Yes. हाँ, now I got a space. Look at this. अरे यार, इधर स्पेस नहीं क्रिएट हो रहा था. हाँ, टेल मी व्हाट इज आंसर ऑफ दिस. स्पेस कहाँ आ रहा है भाई, ये तो क्या. ठीक है. Tell me what is the answer of this. So if A, B are matrices with the 24 and 40 elements respectively, then the number of possible orders of AB such that AB is defined as. देखो वो बोल रहा है, what exactly is asking for is, so matrix A element, how many elements? Matrix A has 24, B has 40 elements. So that, so possible orders, what are the possible orders of A and B such that A be defined? तो A B multiply करने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? Number of columns of first matrix supposed to be equal to number of rows of second matrix, isn't it? देखो भाई, ये कोई ऑर्डर ले लो ऐसा m by n, एंड कोई मैट्रिक्स बी ऑर्डर ले लो, कोई r by s, ठीक है, और कोई भी ले लो, आपका मर्जी जो भी. तो व्हाट इज व्हेन द मैट्रिक्स ab is going to be defined when n is equal to r, when n is equal to r, then only ab multiplication of a and b is going to be possible, isn't it? हाँ.
Yes,
देखो
sir.
हमारे पास ये कितने 40 एलिमेंट्स है, इधर b में कितना है? A matrix has 40 elements. So now look at this here.
So
What are
A
the possible
has
orders?
24 and B has 40.
हाँ, possible orders क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? Possible orders.
3 possible orders.
Wrong one. Possible orders. What exactly the possible order is going to be? Look at this. A has 24 elements. So now
The 4.
कैसा है? 4 कैसा आया?
1 into 24 है, 1 by 24.
हाँ, इसका फैक्टर्स बनाइए हम लोग. मल्टी फैक्टर्स लिखिए, क्या आता है? 1 into 24,
2 into 14,
24 into 1, 2
1
into
into
12,
2,
into
12 into 2,
6 into 4, 6 into
4 and
3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 into 6 into 4.
6 into
తీసుకుంటారు వైర్ ఇప్పుడు తీస్తారా అంటే పైకి వెళ్ళి.
All right. So look at this now. So 40. What is 40 here? 1 into 40.
40, 40 into 1,
2 into 20.
2 into
2.
20, 20
4
into
into
2,
10. 10 into
5
40.
into 8.
8 into 5, 8 into 8, so 20 into 2. Yes, ये होगा यार. हाँ, now look at this. What for product AB बनने के लिए, for making AB, what is supposed to be there? n supposed to be equal to what? मतलब देखो इधर n, देखो इधर देखो n 24 कहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है, इधर नहीं हो रहा है, तो ये not possible. Here 1, हाँ this pair is possible. Alright, here 1 is equal to 1, right? Yes or no? n is equal to r, right? One pair is possible here. आ रहा है समझ?
Yes, sir.
One pair. Next, 2. 12 into 2 here and starting with the 2. It's supposed to end with the 2, starting with the 2. And tell me here, 3 into 8, 8 into 5,
6 into 4,
6 into 4.
4
So total possible order. इसके अलावा कोई possible नहीं है. Therefore number of
4 possible orders.
4.
therefore number of
ఇంతకు ముందు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇరగొట్టి పోయినారంట.
ఏమో తెలియదు, అదే చెప్తున్నా. మేము అయితే లోపల నుంచి వైర్ అయితే వేయలేదు. మేము వేసింది ఒకటే వైర్ ఒకటి మేము వేసింది, అది బయట నుంచి వచ్చింది.
wire who is that man? Lepakshi Reddy.
ఒకసారి చెప్పే లోపల మీరు బయటికి ఏమైనా బయటికి వేసాం, అసలు బయటకు టచ్ చేయకుండా వేస్తాం.
Lepakshi. Are you here, Lepakshi? चलो next question, seventh question solve कीजिए. What is the answer of seventh one? Let me. Option A, let me give you. Make it fast. Solve the options. So let me give the options here. So 0 I 0 0 I or I 0 here. Clear? Tell me. हाँ देखो matrix A has been given and I square is equal to -1 is staying, and let I denote the identity matrix of order 2, then I plus A square plus A cube plus dash 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 till A power of 10 is equal to what? Tell me, what's the answer?
answer is C, sir.
Sir, C.
Huh?
Sir, C.
Option C.
C, sir.
C option is wrong.
Sir, A square is coming to A0.
Sir, option B, sir. Option B.
ऑप्शन बी नहीं है, ऑप्शन बी गलती है.
Sir, option C, sir.
हाँ सब बता दो भाई, ABCD सब बता दो, कोई आंसर आप लोग बता लिए, ऐसा बोल दो ना कोई। अरे यार एक एक आदमी एक एक आंसर दे रहे हो, नो गलती
नहीं
है।
सर, पहले से मैं सही बोला।
ठीक है, रॉन्ग आंसर। look at this. So time up, don't solve it now. So बेटा देख लिए a is equal क्या दिया है, 0 i 0 दिया है, तो what is going to be a square now? What do you got? What did you get?
-1 into I।
भाई मुझे बताइए, -1
0 0 -1।
हाँ, तो कैन आई राइट दिस वन एज -i? दिस वन कैन बी एज -i, तो मैंने लिख सकता हूँ a square is equal to -i now। समझ रहे? If a is equal to a is equal to what here? A is equal to what? See here, he is asking for I plus a plus something, isn't it? Look at this now. A square I got -i. What is a cube now? A square into a. A square क्या था? -i था into a, तो मैंने लिख सकता हूँ ना मैंने -a। अरे भाई I, if you multiply identity matrix into something, again the same matrix is you are going to get. Identity matrix into same matrix, right? A power of 4 is what? A square into a square. A square what I got? -i into -i.
I.
Plus I. आया समझ? हाँ, look at this now. Till a power of 10. Till a power of 10. What I'm going to get here? A power of I. A power of I is what? Mind calculation. Make it fast. A power of so A power of 6 क्या है? A power of 6 into
I
A
sir।
power of 4
Minus.
by I into -i, तो क्या मिलता है मुझे? -i तो मिलता है।
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
A power of 7 is what? -a. A power of 8 is what? I.
I.
A power of 9 is what? A.
A.
A power of 10 is what? -i.
Minus I.
माइनस आई होता है क्या? आई इंटू,
है
हाँ माइनस है, सही है ना?
माइनस है।
देखो
Yes,
he is asking us to add all this till 10, so मुझे दिया है a I plus a square plus a cube plus a power of 4 till a power of 10 he is asking me to add. So now look at this here, I as it is I'm writing, a as it is I'm writing, a square value what I got here? -i. So let me write -i here in place of I. A cube is what here? -a power of 4 is what? I. A power of I is what? A plus a power of 6 is what? -i. A power of 7
माइनस है
-a
minus a.
plus I plus a minus I. देखो इसको क्या करो, खत्म करो, सबको खत्म कर देना। देखो ये प्लस आई माइनस आई गया, -i प्लस ये दे, ये बचा, मुझे बचा ये। सो आंसर क्या है? ए। पर ये हियर ये ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, तो भाई ये ऑप्शन मतलब मैट्रिक्स ये, आंसर ये होता है। आया समझ? कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
नो सर।
आई रिमेन विथ व्हाट हियर? ये माय आंसर इज ये का मतलब होता है I 0 0 I, यही तो दिया है, I 0 0 I। यस, नो 0 I 0 ये होता है। इधर लिख लो भाई, गड़बड़ लिख दिया। I तो शुरू हो रहा है, 0 से शुरू हो रहा है।
0 I.
0 I 0, ये होता है हमारा आंसर। आया समझ? कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट हियर? एनी डाउट? दिस इज हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व गाइस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए अभी। Next question. So guys, very very important and very good question. This kind of question has been asked previous, they have been asked repeatedly. Make it fast. Simple सा question है, देख लीजिए, हम लोग देखेंगे कितना आदमी बनाएंगे इसको। Just 40 seconds of time. Make it fast. फटाफट मुझे बताइए भाई। डन, टाइम अप, छोड़ दीजिए। लुक एट दिस, ए गिवन, ए स्क्वायर इज व्हाट इज आंसर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर, मुझे बताइए जल्दी, फटाफट बताना चाहिए। ए स्क्वायर क्या है, फटाफट बेटा। ए स्क्वायर
4 4 12
12 12
12 तुम, हाँ, नाउ कैन आई राइट हियर 4 4 12 का मतलब 4 ये लिख सकते हो ना इसको, कैन आई राइट
Yes,
4
sir.
ये?
Yes, sir.
मुझे बताइए 4 ये आई रोट हियर। नाउ ए क्यूब क्या होता है, देखो ए क्यूब को आई कैन राइट इट एज
16 16
ए स्क्वायर इनटू
48
ए,
48
तो 4 ये इनटू ए
129.
ए स्क्वायर, 4 ए स्क्वायर मतलब 4 ए स्क्वायर का आंसर क्या था मुझे, 4 ए, तो 16 ये मिला मुझे। तो ये 4 अब 4 क्या होता है, ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए स्क्वायर, तो मुझे मिलता है 16 ए स्क्वायर, तो 16 इंटू ए स्क्वायर का मतलब फिर से 4 ए, तो मुझे मिलता है 64 ए। आया समझ, आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
चलो
Yes, sir.
अभी देखो बी मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा, मुझे ध्यान से सुनिए, सबको ऐड करना पड़ेगा। देखो बी मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा, a प्लस 4a प्लस 16a प्लस 64a, वी हैव टू ऐड राइट, a प्लस a स्क्वायर का सबको ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना। मुझे क्या मिलेगा, देखो बी मैट्रिक्स खत्म, आंसर हो गया भाई। देखो 5 5 21 21 प्लस दिस वन 85 है, हाँ, बट गिवन क्या है, देखो गिवन b इज इक्वल लैम्डा ए, तो लैम्डा क्या है 85 है, आंसर खत्म। वो तो लैम्डा के बारे में पूछ रहे ना, इज आस्किंग फॉर लैम्डा नो, तो 85 हो गया लैम्डा। कितना आसान है, देखो कितना आसान है क्वेश्चन, हाउ सिंपल इट इज, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
लैम्डा बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर, तो रियल नंबर ही है ना 85। आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
वेरी सिंपल, कोई डाउट इधर, कोई डाउट, कर लेंगे ना? आया समझ?
हाँ।
निकाल लेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को आराम से। चलो
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा, हम लोग अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाएंगे। तो लेट मी राइट यस इन ब्लू कलर। चलो हम लोग अभी देखो इसको थोड़ा ऊपर ले लीजिए, गैप थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया। हाँ, तो गाइस नाउ लुक एट दिस, 9th क्वेश्चन बनाइए। 9th क्वेश्चन, मेक इट फास्ट। A matrix given B a matrix, then determinant of A into adjoint of A inverse is equal to what? So for this you must know one note. एक नोट पता होना चाहिए, वो नोट क्या है? How many of you know this? How many of you know this? A into adjoint of A क्या होता है? Determinant of A into this one, सबको पता होना चाहिए। All right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नोट है। तो देखो ये है, तो इस बाय यूजिंग दिस नोट हाउ कैन यू मेक योर आंसर, लेट मी गिव द ऑप्शंस, ट्राई इट आउट, मेक इट फर्स्ट। तो नल मैट्रिक्स हो गया, ऑप्शन बी हो गया -1 2 -3 -2 0 3 3 -3 1, ऑप्शन सी।
आंसर इज ए सर।
हाँ, ऑप्शन ये,
Answer is matrix A.
हाउ?
Because sir, adjoint of A, if it goes there, it becomes adjoint of A inverse.
Sorry, tell me who's telling that? Yes, tell me.
Sir.
Yes, Musa, बताइए Musa, what is the reason behind that?
Sir, adjoint of A, when it goes to RHS, it becomes adjoint of A inverse, sir.
हाँ,
So det A into adjoint inverse equal to A.
अच्छा आपने ये बता रहा है इधर, यू आर सेइंग दैट A into A is equal, ये क्या होगा adjoint, इसको इधर भिजाएंगे तो क्या होगा, ये हो जाएगा।
Yes,
Are you
sir.
saying that?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, into determinant of ये into ये कहाँ से आ गया फिर? हाँ, okay, look at this now. Yes, yeah, but look at this here. Let me tell you one thing here. But answer is correct, but the way you approach that is wrong. Look at this here. Either adjoint different, then ये separate नहीं है इधर, दोनों एक ही है भाई। आया समझ? Adjoint A inverse can be written as adjoint A inverse can be written as what? Adjoint of A inverse can be written as what? Adjoint of A inverse, guys, this is, you cannot write adjoint of 1 by A, you can write, so adjoint of 1 by A, this is a fully, you cannot separate this, adjoint into 1, A को इधर भी जाना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है। आया समझ? Luckily you got,
Yes,
your
sir.
answer is wrong, but look at this, that is the procedure, where the way you proceed, The way you approach towards the question, that is wrong. Look at this now here. Now if I take, guys, look at this. If A is equal to A inverse, मैंने अभी A को A inverse मान लिया. क्यों मान लिया? देखो मैंने वो पूछ रहा है, he is asking for determinant of A into adjoint of A inverse. He is asking for determinant of A into adjoint of A inverse. He is asking for A inverse. Is included. So he is asking an answer in terms of A inverse. So now look at this now. How can I substitute here? How can I make A is equal to A inverse? If I substitute, so look at this here. A inverse into adjoint of A के जगह में क्या लिख रहा हूं मैंने? A inverse. देखो इधर क्या होगा? Determinant of A inverse into I. आया समझ? आया समझ? I need an answer. Look at this here. हाँ, I got this one, guys. Now multiply. If I multiply, किससे multiply करना? Both sides. बताइए. मैंने with what number, with what term if I multiply, so I'll be getting the answer in terms of this.
Det A.
भाई किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मुझे ये मिलेगा? ध्यान से सुनिए.
Det A.
ये भाई बस ये on both sides. Look at this. आ रहा है समझ में? थोड़ा दिमाग लगाएंगे इधर. Everyone, please mind here. Don't be out of the station. Please be in the station. Be in the section. देखो A से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो A into A inverse क्या होगा? I होगा. आया समझ? Into adjoint of A inverse as it is. हाँ, तो मुझे देखो A inverse को मैं लिखता हूँ 1 by A into मैंने A से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ into I. तो ये गया. आया समझ?
हाँ.
ये गया. So what I remain with here now? What I remain with?
Adjoint of A inverse.
हाँ, look at this भाई. No. भाई इधर नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कैंसिल कर सकते हम लोग. 1 by ये लिख दिया मैंने इधर into ये into I. तो क्या नहीं कैंसिल? I इधर कैंसिल हो गया मुझे. तो I need answer. What इधर? I need answer. Look at this here. Can I write this thing as determinant 1 by determinant of ये? Yes or no? How many of you
Yes,
agree with that point? A inverse can be written as 1 by determinant of ये. Guys, look at this here. I need determinant of ये. तो मैंने ये determinant of ये को मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भिजा रहा हूं. So I'm just shifting. I'm just transporting determinant of A to the left hand side. I'll be remaining with what here? Adjoint of is equal to A. तो मुझे मिला आंसर. क्या मिला? A. देखो determinant of A into A inverse is equal क्या है? A. तो A क्या है? ऑप्शन कहाँ है? देखो A का मतलब ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो ऑप्शन B is correct. आया समझ? आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The way I approach towards the question. Wahib, what's your name?
Musab sir.
Musab देखो भाई मुसाब कैसा कर रहा है, कमाल कैसा कर रहे हैं हम लोग. आ रहा है समझ? क्या क्या कमाल कर रहा है, क्वेश्चन कैसा उठा रहा है, अप्रोच कैसा हो रहा है, सब ध्यान से सुनिए. एकदम जेई एग्जाम को हम लोग तोड़ के फेंक देंगे वहां. ठीक है? आया समझ? ये होगा हमारा आंसर. हाँ, understood guys why we are taking, if A is equal to A inverse, why we are taking here, why we are taking, reason क्या है? He is asking for in terms of A inverse. He is asking in terms of A inverse. अगर ऐसा लेंगे तभी हमारा आंसर कितना सिंपल आ गया. देखो हम इधर उधर नहीं जाने का जरूरत नहीं है, इधर उधर फिरने का, इधर उधर घूमने का जरूरत नहीं है. बस क्वेश्चन में रहे ना, गेट द आंसर, बी इन द क्वेश्चन, गेट द आंसर. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 10th क्वेश्चन कैसा बनाएंगे? देखो 10th वाला क्वेश्चन फटाफट बताइए. Let us see how many of you are going to make it this. Option A, let me write 8. Option B is 16. Option C is 72. Option D 2. जल्दी से बताना. I know the formula. Formula पता होना चाहिए इधर. Formula क्या पता है? We know one formulas. We know one formula. क्या है? Note. What is it? Note. Adjoint of adjoint ये बताया मुझे. Adjoint of adjoint is what? Determinant of A into, so determinant of A power of n minus 1 whole square. अगर दो adjoint है तो इधर n minus 1 to the power of 2 आएगा. आ रहा है समझ?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Solve the question accordingly. He's asking for adjoint B. Adjoint B. Guys, make it fast. Either determinant. Don't forget to write this. Make it fast. What the answer is going to be? अरे भाई देखो कितना सिंपल है. देखो adjoint of B क्या है? He's asking for adjoint of B divided by is asking for this one. All right. हाँ
72 सर.
गलत है आंसर. देखो सी हियर, कैन आई अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी हियर? इधर ये अप्लाई, ये आइडेंटिटी यूज कर सकता हूं मैंने इधर. देखो मुझे ये एडजॉइंट के जगह में एडजॉइंट है, एडजॉइंट ए के जगह में क्या है इधर? ये हैज गिवन एडजॉइंट बी है. ठीक है, एडजॉइंट ए के जगह में क्या है? बी है. तो लुक एट दिस नाउ, व्हाट कैन आई अप्लाई? व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ फॉर्मूला आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई हियर? बी केयरफुल हियर. So can I write here adjoint of adjoint A as it is? I'm writing divided by
Sir,
C.
answer D.
Answer D. D भी गलत है. Just see what he has given. C given the 3A. तो मैंने CA 3A लिख दे रहा हूँ यार. कोई डाउट इधर? हाँ. Now
No,
adjoint. Now can I apply here? Here what is my A here? What is my A? This is my A ना. So adjoint of.
सर ऑप्शन ए सर 8 सर.
हाँ बराबर है. अभी देखो n minus 1. n क्या है इधर? What is order? n what is n here? n means order.
N
Order क्या है?
N is 4 3 into 3.
Divided by
So
3A. तो मैंने 3 को क्या लिख सकता हूँ भाई? How many of you know this formula? Tell me. How many of you know this formula here?
Detective.
ये constant into A matrix gives me constant to the power of n into determinant of A. How many of you know this formula? वही तो लिख रहा हूँ डिनोमिनेटर में. So k power of, so 3 power of 3 into determinant of A here. So everything I know here. Now tell me. Now
sir will get more. A will get 6.
हाँ भाई इधर ये ना, हाँ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ये. तो क्या है फॉर्मूला? क्या है इधर? डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ये. इधर डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ये इज व्हाट ही हैज गिवन. ही डिड नॉट गिवन. व्हाट इज डिटरमिनेंट? डिटरमिनेंट क्या मिला? 6 टू द पावर ऑफ 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 27. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ये कितना? 6. 3 टाइम्स मिला मुझे. 6 into 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 27. तो 9 3s 9 4s 3 1s 3 2s. so 4 2 8 आंसर. कोई डाउट इधर? कोई डाउट?
No sir.
how I wrote guys, look at this here. I just converted the given question in terms of formula. इधर B, what is the B here? B is adjoint A. आया समझ? Guys, are you able to relate the things here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So B क्या है इधर? adjoint A. तो adjoint of adjoint A formula I know that. What is that? This one. Determinant of A to the power of n minus 1 whole square. कोई doubt? Any
No,
doubts here? Very simple. चलो बेटा दूसरा question. Next question. We'll move forward to the next question.
If it,
चलो हम लोग का भी देखेंगे. हाँ सॉल्व कीजिए 11th one. Same type of question. Very important guys. Very important. If you are getting a question from matrices, वो होता है इधर ही होता है, इधर से ही आता है ये area. This is the area where you get a question from matrix. Pakka. 95% chances are there to get a question from this area. From matrix, from determinant, system of linear equations. Determinant से system of linear equations से chances है questions आने की संभावना ज्यादा है. Make it fast. A and B are square matrices of order 3 such that determinant of A3 given and determinant of B2, then the value of A inverse adjoint B inverse into adjoint 3A inverse is equal to what? अरे रे रे कितना घुमा रहा है भाई क्वेश्चन को. हाँ देखो, so look at this here. Can I write like this? दिया है क्वेश्चन ऐसा. ये क्वेश्चन को क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Now can I split like this? मैंने थोड़ा इंडिविजुअल तोड़ दूंगा इसका. इसका पैर पूरा तोड़ देंगे ऐसा. We'll break all this. कोई डाउट इधर? कोई डाउट? मैंने इसको ऐसा तोड़ सकता हूं. ठीक है, इसको तोड़ने की वजह से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? A inverse can I write 1 by determinant of A? Anyone of you? Doubt? Do you have any doubts here?
No,
हाँ.
sir.
Now look at this. मुझे एक फॉर्मूला पता है. Since determinant of or sorry adjoint A is equal to A to the power of n minus 1. ये फॉर्मूला मुझे पता है. तो now can I write by using that formula? Can I write this one as B inverse determinant to the power of n minus 1? n का मतलब 3 है. Order 3, तो 3 minus 1 can I write? Do you object my point? Do you consent with my point?
Yes.
अरे भाई इधर देखो 3 minus 1. ठीक है. So इधर देखो adjoint of 3A inverse. Adjoint of यही ये तो 3A inverse. So 3 minus 1. कोई डाउट इधर? So determinant of A 3 given here. So B inverse. So determinant of B. What is? Can I write this one as guys 1 by determinant of B whole power of 2? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
इधर क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? इधर 3 as it is.
By data.
So 3A inverse into 3A inverse. Can I write? Guys.
Yes, sir.
Square, no.
Data 3.
देखिए. So if I write, so what is the use of that? So it will become, it is easy for me to write that one. So first let us write all in terms of A only. So 1 by determinant of A into 1 by. हाँ इधर देखो मुझे ये again this formula. Understand? So मुझे इसको मैंने लिख सकता हूँ 3 cube 1 by determinant of A into again 3 cube A inverse मतलब 1 by determinant of A. How many of you agree with me? अभी substitute करके cancel करो. 3 2 दिया है. So 3 2. What is the answer of determinant of
1
A?
by 1 by 3 1 by into 1 by 4
1 by 4 into 27. Don't write 27. 3 cube को 3 cube ही let it be as it is. It makes you easy for calculating. So look at this now. So 1 time
27 by 4.
3 times. इसको cancel कर दिया मैंने. Can I cancel?
Yes, sir.
So मुझे क्या मिला मुझे अभी देखो. So 27.
3 cube by 4 हाँ 27 by 4.
भाई आ रहा है समझ को? सबको आ रहा है समझ?
हाँ sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me write the options here. What was my options? Option ये था 27. देखो how confusing the options. 27 by 4. Option C था 1 by 108. Option D था 1 by 4. देखो many of you might be thinking that अरे यार 3 cube तो बचा है न्यूमरेटर में तो 27 लगा देंगे. गलत हो जाएगा भाई, इसको लगाना. ठीक है. आया समझ? सो डिनोमिनेटर भी थोड़ा ध्यान से कैलकुलेट कीजिए, जो भी कैलकुलेट कर रहा है, वट एवर वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग गाइस, वी हैव टू बी so केयरफुल विद दैट. इज इट क्लियर विद एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the properties we have learned guys, please make sure that you are going through that each and every property. कोई doubt इधर? कोई doubt?
No, sir.
हाँ, चलो
sir.
next question. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देखो ये तो बड़ा सा सवाल है. Guys, this question is related to your permutation and combination. How many? This, look at this. Take this as a homework. Similar type of question. मतलब इधर adjoint, बहुत big question. It's a very big question. So homework. सबने, like everyone should solve this question. Homework. Try it out at home. Let us see how many of you gonna make this.
Sir, one show question.
I'll be sharing the notes भाई, चिंता मत कीजिए, ठीक है. Make it fast. 13th one जल्दी से बताइए. Guys, probably within 2 more days we'll be winding up with the matrices. We are trying to solve all sort of questions, all types of questions here. जल्दी से फटाफट कीजिए. डन. चलो 14th one, 13th one, make it fast. 13th one बताइए जल्दी. What is the answer of this? If A, B, C are square matrices of order 3, A दिया है, 2 B दिया है, 3 C दिया है, 4, the value of 3 into adjoint of A into B C inverse is equal to what? Where adjoint A represent adjoint of matrix A. तो मुझे मिल गया आंसर. खत्म. मुझे ऑप्शन, लेट मी राइट द ऑप्शंस हियर, सेम ऑप्शंस.
Sir, 81.
Very good beta. 81 is right. How? Look at this here. देख लीजिए इधर. The given question को मैंने तोड़ सकता हूं ऐसा. Can I break? Can I break like this? Of
Yes,
course.
sir.
So 3 into adjoint लिखो तो k into n. So 3 cube into adjoint ये. So 3 cube is 27. Adjoint of A, again formula. What is the formula for adjoint A?
Delta power n minus 1.
हाँ. So determinant of A to the power of n minus 1 into B into 1 by determinant. So 27. इधर determinant of A क्या था? So 2 power of 2, 4 into determinant of B 3. So into 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
गया तो 27 3 मिलेगा 81. खत्म. How simple it is. Okay guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Any doubts? So here this is how we have to solve the question. So see, your cooperation was very good in today's class. You were telling all the formulas. You was like pretty confident. That's what I observed. So guys, this is how we'll be making all the questions in so this is how we'll be solving, you know, on everyday basis. So how कैसा लगा class?
Interesting, sir.
अच्छा था, sir.
Nice.
Hey, don't leave the meeting. Who's leaving the meeting? Huh. Yes. So this is how we'll be solving all types of questions. So like, you know, probably within 2 more classes हम लोग क्या करेंगे अभी, matrices and determinant को bye bye बोल देंगे. Next we are going to jump into the next chapter. ठीक है. And meanwhile that अरे यार सर ने इतना ही पढ़ा रहा है तो हम लोग इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. So sir is not teaching us this much, so we'll be teaching, we'll stop here itself. It is not like that, guys. Keep going, solve many questions, as many questions as possible, and be ready with your preparation, be ready with your, you know, preparation in front of, you know, before your exam. हमने कब in January you are going to give your attempt, right? January,
Yes, sir.
give your attempts.
Yes, sir.
January, February, March, April. So in 4 attempts, you have a chance to crack your JEE. So you have a wonderful, excellent, immense, massive, stupendous, amazing chance to crack the JEE.
Yes.
All right. So prepare accordingly. जो भी डाउट है उसको थोड़ा पॉइंट आउट करके रख लीजिए. Clarify your doubts. Clarify doubt मतलब see here you are solving a question. If you are not getting a question, it doesn't mean that you are not capable of doing that question. Please keep revising, your concept. If you are not able to solve a question, just try hard 1 or 2 times solve. It doesn't mean that you are not capable of solve for 3 times. If you are not getting, then you come and you ask. That would be better actually. All right, so keep revising your notes. जो भी formula दिया है, that would be enough for preparation for matrices actually. जो भी मैंने notes दिया है guys, that is more than enough to attempt the question. Basically attempt the questions attempt करने के लिए बहुत important है जेई का notes. मैंने जो भी जेई का important bullet points दिया है तो very important notes. ठीक है, all right, समझ में आ रहा है? कोई doubt?
No,
Do you
No,
want
sir.
do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
no, sir.
तो లేపాక్షి రెడ్డి అర్థమవుతుందా?
సార్
అర్థమవుతుందా? Turn
అర్థమవుతుంది.
you just turn on your cameras once. Everyone. मुसाब जी, हाँ कहाँ भाई, पूरा डीजे लगा रहे हो क्या? पूरा कलर दिख रहे हो आज. हाँ बढ़िया बढ़िया. कैसा चल रहा है, हाल कैसा है? सब बढ़िया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ यस, वेरी गुड बेटा. सो लेपाक्षी रेड्डी, आर यू फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? आर यू एबल टू अडॉप्ट टू द क्लासेस? फॉलो कर रहे हो ना क्लास अभी? नो. अरे यार अभी बात तो छोड़ो, बहुत एक्टिव है बनो तो, कभी भी एक्टिव हाइपर में रहते हैं बात. हाँ राघव जी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ गाइस, बी इंटरैक्टिव. थोड़ा इंथुजियास्टिक होना चाहिए क्लास में. जितना इंथुजियास्टिक हो सके उतना हम लोग रिजल्ट पाएंगे. नहीं तो अरे यार कभी भी क्या बोल रहा है यार, ये कहाँ से आ गया, ये क्या बता रहा है, छोड़ो यार, छोड़ो. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, बी इंटरैक्टिव, then only everything is possible. all right beta, thank you. Let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. And goodbye. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
గుడ్ బై సార్.